coffee's getting cold on the windowsill. The clock is ticking, but the world stands still. I'm tracing patterns in the condensation, caught in a loop of a lost conversation. Just a ghost in the hallway, shadows on the wall, waiting for a summer that I can't quite recall. It's just static on the radio, honey. Blue light glowing when the sky isn't sunny. We're drifting slow through a low-res dream. Nothing is quite as real as it seems. Just a lo-fi heartbeat, 2 a.m. gold. Stories we whispered, now they're getting old. Slow it down, turn the tape over. Do you remember the way the air felt before the colors started to melt? Midnight rain on a tin roof. Yeah, just stay